Hey, welcome to Chelsea's Quick Bites. I'm excited to hang out with you in the kitchen today. Get ready for some cooking shenanigans as we whip up something delicious together. Whether you're a cooking guru or simply just love good food, we're gonna do it all. Today we're making smoked turkey collard greens and the ingredients are listed below. I got these collard greens from my dad's garden. I took the stem out of them and then I rolled them and cut them. Next, make sure your sink is clean, add you some vinegar to some water, and clean your cut greens. Next, I got my smoked turkey. I chopped some garlic and I already had some pre-chopped onion. Put some olive oil in your pan, saute your onions, and then add your garlic. Add some chicken broth, red pepper flakes, and smoked turkey and let that cook for about 30 minutes. Let it come to a boil and then add your greens. Put a top over it and let it cook. Stir your greens occasionally until they're tender, and then that's your finished product. Thanks for watching. Join me next time on Chelsea's Quick Bites.